I used to spend hours every week tidying up, only to find my home back in a state of disarray a few days later. It was frustrating and exhausting. Then I discovered the power of 1-minute habits. And in this video, I'm going to share the exact habits that transformed my home from chaotic to calm. The first 1-minute habit on our list is make your bed. This simple act, which takes less than a minute, creates an immediate sense of accomplishment and order in your bedroom. It's like hitting the reset button on your living space, giving you a clean slate to work with as you start your day. It's a visual reminder that order exists in your life, even when other aspects might feel chaotic. This small habit can contribute to reduced stress levels and improved sleep quality, making it a win-win for both your living space and your well-being. 2. Wipe the sink after brushing teeth. This 1-minute habit can prevent the buildup of toothpaste residue, water spots, and other unsightly marks that can make your bathroom look untidy. All you need is a small cloth or paper towel. No need for expensive cleaning products. By incorporating this habit into your daily routine, you're not only keeping your bathroom looking fresh, but you're also reducing the need for deep cleaning sessions later on. This saves you time and energy in the long run, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life, like building your savings or pursuing your career goals. 3. Hang up your keys. Creating a designated spot for your keys and making a habit of hanging them up as soon as you walk in the door is a game changer. This 1-minute habit can save you countless minutes of frantic searching when you're rushing out the door. All you need is a simple hook or a small dish near your entrance. Imagine never having to tear apart your home looking for your keys again. This small change can make your mornings smoother and your days more productive. 4. Put shoes away when you enter. When you step into your home, take a moment to slip off your shoes and put them in their designated spot. This simple habit, which takes less than a minute, can significantly reduce the amount of dirt and clutter in your living space. By consistently putting your shoes away, you're not only maintaining a cleaner home, but also creating a more organized and peaceful environment. Plus, it's a great way to mentally transition from the outside world to your home sanctuary, helping you unwind and distress after a long day. 5. Do a nightly 1-minute tidy up. Before you get the hay, take just 1 minute to do a quick tidy up of your living space. This could involve straightening throw pillows, clearing off the coffee table, or putting away any items that are out of place. This habit is all about making small, consistent efforts rather than waiting for clutter to accumulate and then spending hours cleaning. Waking up to a clean living room can set a positive tone for your day, reducing stress and increasing productivity. It's a small investment of time that pays off in big ways, aligning perfectly with our goal of creating sustainable habits that improve our quality of life. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. 6. Tiny things in tiny homes. Living in a small urban apartment doesn't mean you can't keep things organized. In fact, it's even more crucial to have a place for everything when space is limited. Dedicate 1 minute each day to finding homes for those tiny items that tend to clutter surfaces. Think hair ties, loose change, or small electronics. Use small boxes, jars, or even repurposed containers to keep these items contained and organized. When everything has its place, you're less likely to buy duplicates of items you already own but can't find. Plus, a clutter-free space can make your small apartment feel more spacious and inviting, enhancing your overall quality of life without the need for costly upgrades or a bigger living space. 7. Sort mail immediately. Recycle junk mail, file important documents, and put bills in a designated spot for payment. This simple habit prevents paper clutter from accumulating on your surfaces and ensures that important items don't get lost in the shuffle. By dealing with mail immediately, you're not only keeping your space tidy, but also staying on top of your financial obligations. This aligns perfectly with our goal of maintaining financial health and reducing stress. 8. Fix your couch before bed. Fluff the pillows, fold throw blankets, and arrange everything neatly. This simple habit can make a huge difference in how tidy your living room looks, and it takes virtually no time at all. You don't need expensive decorative pillows or throws. Even basic, budget-friendly options can look great when they're well arranged. Waking up to a tidy living room can start your day on a positive note, reducing stress and increasing your overall sense of well-being. This habit is a perfect example of how small, consistent actions can lead to both a more aesthetically pleasing space and improved financial health. 9. Keep things off the floor. Make it a habit to spend 1 minute each day picking up items from the floor and putting them in their proper places. This could include shoes, bags, clothes, or any other items that tend to accumulate on the ground. This habit is particularly beneficial for those living in small urban apartments where floor space is at a premium. By keeping the floor clear, you can create the illusion of more space and make your home feel less cluttered. 10. Clear your nightstand. Before you go to sleep, take a minute to clear off your nightstand. Put away books, glasses, water bottles, and any other items that have accumulated throughout the day. This simple habit can make your bedroom feel more peaceful and conducive to rest. A tiny nightstand not only looks better, but can also improve your sleep quality. When you wake up to a clean, organized space, you start your day with a sense of calm and order. This can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, potentially improving your productivity and reducing stress. 11. Organize throw blankets. Dedicate 1 minute to neatly folding or arranging any throw blankets in your living space. Whether you drape them over the back of your couch, roll them up in a basket, or fold them neatly on a shelf, taking the time to organize your blankets can instantly make your room look more put together. This habit not only keeps your space looking tidy, but also helps preserve your blankets, making them last longer and saving you money in the long run. 12. Wipe kitchen counters after each use. After you're done preparing a meal or using your kitchen counters, take a minute to wipe them down. This simple habit prevents the buildup of crumbs, spills, and stains, keeping your kitchen looking clean and fresh. You don't need expensive cleaning products. A simple mix of water and vinegar in a spray bottle can be just as effective and much more budget-friendly. This can save you money on repairs or replacements in the long run. Plus, a clean kitchen can inspire you to cook more meals at home, which is typically much more cost-effective than eating out or ordering in. 13. Declutter one area daily. Choose one small area each day, a drawer, a shelf, or even just a corner of a room, and spend 1 minute decluttering it. This could involve throwing away unnecessary items, reorganizing what's there, or finding better homes for misplaced objects. By tackling your space in small, manageable chunks, you prevent clutter from becoming overwhelming. This habit aligns perfectly with a minimalist lifestyle, helping you regularly assess what you truly need and use. It can also be a money-saving practice. As you declutter, you might find items you forgot you had, preventing unnecessary purchases. 14. Put toiletries in the drawer. After using your toiletries, take a minute to put them away in a drawer or cabinet. This simple habit keeps your bathroom counters clear and makes cleaning much easier. You don't need fancy organizers. Simple baskets or even repurposed containers can work well to keep your items sorted and easy to access. This can lead to savings over time as you won't need to replace items as frequently. Plus, a clutter-free bathroom can create a more spa-like atmosphere, helping you start and end your day in a calm, organized space. 15. Don't walk past items twice. Adopt the one-touch rule. If you see something out of place, take a second to put it away immediately rather than walking past it multiple times. This habit prevents clutter from accumulating and saves you time in the long run. It's all about being mindful and taking immediate action, which aligns perfectly with our goal of creating sustainable, efficient habits. When everything is in its place, you spend less time searching for items and more time focusing on what's important. This can lead to increased productivity and reduced stress, both of which can have positive impacts on your financial health and overall well-being. 16. Wipe the sink after each use. After using the sink, whether in the kitchen or bathroom, take a few seconds to wipe it down. This prevents water spots, soap scum, and other residues from building up, keeping your sinks looking clean and fresh. A simple microfiber cloth or even a paper towel can do the job. No need for expensive cleaning products. This habit not only maintains a cleaner home, but can also extend the life of your fixtures by preventing the buildup of hard water stains or corrosive substances. In the long run, this can save you money on repairs or replacements. 17. Tidy as you go. Make it a habit to tidy up as you move through your day. If you're leaving a room, take a quick look around and see if there's anything you can put away or straighten up in under a minute. This could be as simple as putting a book back on the shelf or straightening a throw pillow. It allows you to maintain a tidy home without significant time investment. Remember, small, consistent actions are the key to big changes, whether in your living space or your bank account. In conclusion, these 17 one-minute habits demonstrate that maintaining a tidy, clutter-free home doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can create a more organized, peaceful living space. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video